What's up, guys? In this video, my mom is gonna be helping us bake some rainbow cookies. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time meeting. This is Glamrock Freddy. Hi. And I am Joseph. One of our subscribers wanted us to make rainbow cookies. This is for you, Tiffany. The ingredients are butter, flour, powdered sugar, eggs, salt, vanilla extract, and food coloring. In a mixer, cream the butter. Once the butter has been creamed, add the powdered sugar. Once the butter and powdered sugar have been mixed, then add the eggs, vanilla extract, and salt. Gradually add the flour until dough is moist and holds together but doesn't stick to your hand. If you want to see more baking videos like this one, then hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks! Shake the dough into a ball. Cut the dough in half and wrap one half in plastic wrap and divide the other half into 6 pieces. Now for the fun part, we get to dye the dough. Then set a timer for 30 minutes. Once chilled, take the dough out of the freezer and take it out the plastic wrap. Roll out the plain dough to cover up the colored dough. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it chill for another 30 minutes. That's it for me, guys. Gently hit that like button, or if that's not your style, then smash it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Stop!